Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the sweet and spicy grilled salmon and Langostino skewer. Stay tuned. All right guys, so we're just gonna prep our veggies. We have some red bell peppers, orange, yellow, and we also have some red onion. So what are you gonna do with the peppers and the onion?
Just making some big slices so we could slide them onto the skewer.
All right. Sound like a plan. All right, guys. So now I'm just gonna make some medium dice with the red onion. Let's set this aside for a second. Let's go ahead and peel it off real quick. Just like that. And then we're gonna mix everything with the bell peppers that Deanne just sliced earlier. All right, nice and colorful. All right, so we're just gonna set this aside, and then we're gonna start working on our salmon. We're gonna make some medium dices as well, and then start doing the skewers. All right, time to start dicing our salmon. Like I said, guys, we're just gonna do some medium size dice. All right, just like this, about this thick, this size. Yeah, man, it's looking good. This is a super easy recipe to make, nothing hard. All right, so now we're gonna season up our salmon and then just start skewering everything together. All right guys, so this is our Langostino lobster meat. All right, so we're gonna combine these two together, and then we're gonna add our seasoning. This is the seasoning I'm using for this recipe today, the seafood blend. Nice little rub, keeping it nice and simple today. Sometimes simple is best, Give it a nice little mix. Ooh, smelling so good. All right, we're not gonna overdo it. So now we're just gonna start skewing everything together. We're gonna try to make it a little bit, uniform. Add your pepper, your onion, pepper again. I'm gonna add my salmon, Langostino. And then I'm gonna repeat, same thing, same step. It's already looking good, guys. And this is one. So we're gonna set that aside and just continue the same process. Oopsie. Add your peppers, your onion, your salmon. All right, guys, so this entire cooking process should take about 10 minutes. My grill is at a low heat temperature right now, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. Right now, I'm just rubbing a little bit of red onion on the grill. Add a little onion flavor, a little seasoning, you know. And then I'm just gonna drop it right in. Add some flavor. Oh yes, guys, it's already smelling good. So good. Mmm. All right, guys, so meanwhile the skewers are grilling, I'm just gonna start working on the sweet and spicy sauce, and then we're gonna show you the next step. All right, guys, so it's time to make the sauce. So we're gonna add some soy sauce, just a little bit, not much, about a tablespoon of soy sauce, some ketchup, not much, a little bit of lemon juice. Ooh, yeah, about a teaspoon. We're gonna add some, what's this, hot sauce, Carolina Reaper, but whatever hot sauce you have at home, you know, you could use the spicier you want to get it, then you try to get a hotter hot sauce, all right, a spicier hot sauce. So I'm just gonna do a little dab of it, not much, because this is super spicy. I don't want it to be over spicy and then I can't enjoy it. We're gonna add a little bit of honey, and then we're gonna add some sugar, mix it together, and just glaze our salmon and Langostino skewer. All right, let me grab the sugar real quick. All right, so we're gonna add some sugar. I think that's good, not much. So we're just gonna mix it around real quick, and then we're just gonna glaze our salmon and Langostino. Come check it out. All right, so now we're just gonna glaze our skewer. Mmm. Wow. This is gonna be so good, guys. So good. Like I said, you just wanna cook, you know, your skewers for about a good 10 minutes. And you should be fine. Wow. So I'm just gonna give these skewers a few more minutes, and then we should be good. Just make sure it's on that direct heat. We have the big chef Deandra over here, so we'll go on for the skewer them.
Looking good.
Huh?
Looking good.
Looking good. Can't tell, say you're a big chef, you know, when you don't have to use no fork or no spatula or no tongue or nothing. No, you know, no utensil. I just beer hand you use.
Afraid I didn't say that.
See, you smile pretty. So, yes, guys. So this beautiful masterpiece right here is almost ready. So stay tuned and continue to watch the video. All right, guys, so our skewers are good to go. They're looking good, nice and juicy. Oh my God, I can't wait to try one. looking juicy. Nice and juicy, man. Wow. How is it? It's good? Oh, nice. On a scale of 1 to 10.
10.
10? And it's not too spicy, right?
No.
It's perfect.
Perfectly balanced. Good, right?
So good. On a scale of 1 to 10, guys, I'll give this 1,000 times 1,000. You understand? This is nothing normal. You definitely need to try this recipe. It's super easy to make, nice and simple, you know, and it's not expensive, you know, it's not expensive. Yes, guys, so you definitely get a bang for your buck. So check it out and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.